Mastering noun-forming suffixes. Boost your vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an important topic that will take your English vocabulary to the next level: noun-forming suffixes. Adding a suffix to a word can transform it into a noun, expanding your vocabulary and giving you more tools to express yourself effectively. A noun-forming suffix is a specific group of letters that we add at the end of a word to change it into a noun. These powerful suffixes can convert verbs, adjectives, and even other nouns into new nouns, giving you a plethora of new words to use. For example, the word perform is a verb, but by adding the suffix ance, we get the noun performance. The adjective happy can become the noun happiness by adding ness. There are numerous noun-forming suffixes in English, but let's start by focusing on some of the most common ones. Ment. This suffix is usually added to verbs to create nouns. For example, the verb treat becomes the noun treatment. Ion. This suffix is also frequently added to verbs to form nouns. An example would be express, becoming expression. Ness. This suffix is commonly added to adjectives to form nouns. For example, kind becomes kindness. Ity. This suffix is also added to adjectives to create nouns. An example is possible, becoming possibility. Remember, while these rules generally hold true, English can sometimes have exceptions. Always double-check if you're unsure. Now, let's see how we can use these noun-forming suffixes in sentences. 1. Meant. Your commitment to learning English is impressive. Commit plus meant. 2. Ion. The creation of art can be a therapeutic process. Create plus ion. 3. Ness. The happiness you feel when mastering a new language is indescribable. Happy plus ness. 4. Ity. With the possibility of traveling again, it's time to brush up on our language skills. Possible plus ity. And that wraps up our lesson on noun-forming suffixes. We hope this video helped illuminate how these suffixes can be a fun and easy way to boost your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and remember, every new word you learn is a step forward on your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!